Big dog canine for sale in Arizona. This has only been owned by 2 owners, and it has super low mileage. This beautiful bike has a newer rear tire and has a brand new front tire ready for mounting. It starts right up, rides great, clear title, located in Peoria, Arizona.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.